What's up guys, we here with Zon today at Provence Welding Performance. He's gonna show us something special, or at least one of his special toys today. Let's check it out. Bye. Zon, how are you doing today?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. Zon, before we get to the TDI, please tell the people who you are, what you do, and how exactly you can help them here at Provence Welding and Performance.
Alright, we are a customization shop. We do fabrication work, we do upgrades, we do software, and any other type of welding repairs. We also offer the service of mechanical work.
I noticed you have a few projects here, and they're all different. What made you decide to get into the TDI game?
So the TDI actually was supposed to be a daily. And as soon as I realized the TDI that I was able to purchase, it became also a project for power again. So we're chasing the power here as well.
You mentioned to me that you got the car with all the mods. Do you mind telling us about the mods that has been done to the car?
Yes, I did unfortunately purchase the vehicle with all the mods. It has they were classified as a GT 1756, which is just a standard turbo that's a hybrid. It's got intercooler, boost pipes, etc. When I did buy the vehicle, I was struggling with a lot of head lift, leaking boost obviously through the gasket. So I changed the gasket, put in stronger head bolts, not ARPs unfortunately, but our local 12.9 head bolts, and so far we've been successful.
Okay.
And then the only thing I was able to do to this vehicle is obviously put my type of software on.
Your software, yeah.
And the vehicle made a healthy 185 and 509 newtons, so it's quite strong for what turbo it is.
Perfect, cool. And we do have proof of that 185 kilowatts.
We have proof.
Zon, brakes on this car. I know 180 kilowatts is a lot. So you're saying the stock can handle?
Wow.
It's been handling or what?
I guess we need to nurse the stock. We have to nurse the stock, but yeah, at the moment it's still stock. Stock everything.
Then suspension?
It's got a set of ARC coilovers in.
ARC.
But hard. Not really my type of choice, but
yeah,
it's doing its job.
I can say it does look good with the drop it has.
Oh, definitely.
Whenever you're ready.
Let me give a second gear pull here.
Was the tires was spinning now? No?
Second gear through. Third, no more.
So that was a second gear pull.
Yes.
This car pulls strong for a stock turbo that's hybrid. And you enjoying the journey with the TDI so far, or what?
Powerful fuel economy. It's a double whammy bonus.
Honestly, fuel consumption on these stuff are amazing.
I mean, I'm getting, with that 180 kilowatts and racing, I race quite a lot. 7.9 liters per kilometer, so that's not bad at all. Not bad at all. And it is a proper smoke farm.
Yeah. Tell me, have you taken the car to Killarney yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet, okay.
I wasn't able to write in for the last event, so we just have to be patient and wait.
So we've seen the car. Perhaps we can do a
small draggy.
A video once you take this car to Killarney.
Yes, definitely. I don't mind that.
we can get the sound in. So we're gonna do one more drag for you guys, and then after that we're gonna do the draggy for the leaderboard, of course. Okay guys, so basically we're setting up the draggy right now. We are starting with our own Cape Town leaderboard. So I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but Zahn over here is gonna be the first one on the leaderboard. So we're gonna see how it does. Okay, so the drag is set up. We're just waiting for the cars in front of us to clear, and then we can do our first 0 to 100.
Is it only 0 to 100?
0 to 100.
TDIs are wheel spinners.
yeah, I know, yeah, for a fact. TDIs don't get that much grip, honestly. You guys could probably hear all the screaming. In 6 seconds, guys. 6.82. Are you gonna try again, or are you gonna stick with that one? We can try again. Okay, he's gonna try to bet it. He's gonna try it. That pool had a lot of wheel spin. That pool had a lot of wheel spin. So that was 6.82. 6.82. 100. 0 to 100, 6.63. Yes. So you did bet on that one now. You definitely did bet on that one. Sorry about that, guys. Too much talk. Too much power, guys. That was honestly, I don't have the words. Oh, that's nice. This car is aggressive, guys. This car is aggressive. Like, honestly, that's probably the most fun I had in a TDI, guys. That's probably the most fun I've had in a TDI. Oh, this car is powerful. Provence Welding and Performance for the win. For the win, guys. I do tuning here. You can have your tuning done. Exhaust, bolt, intakes, whatever you want. Provence Welding can sort you out.